vulnerable people are even more vulnerable during a crisis, and especially during a pandemic.
Adam Rosenberg, the VP for Violence Intervention and Prevention at LifeBridge Health and the executive director of the Baltimore Child Abuse Center, says that one of the first things they saw in the early weeks of the pandemic was that reports of abuse plummeted by more than 70%. But he says that's not because the abuse isn't happening, but because allies like teachers, coaches, co-workers, neighbors, and family members don't have as much contact and access.
When abuse is finally reported, whether it's child abuse, sexual assault, domestic violence, the severity of the abuse is much more dramatic than it's ever been before.
In fact, he says their evidence shows that instances of abuse are up, and he describes the severity of abuse reported from victims when they eventually get to emergency rooms as at a level they haven't heard before.
I've been interviewing, talking to abused women for decades.
Domestic violence was part of the discussion Tuesday night as a registered nurse and psychiatrist from Johns Hopkins Medicine addressed pandemic-related issues.
They're in crowded spaces. They can't, get away from each other. And so it would make sense, theoretically, especially if there was prior domestic violence, that domestic violence would get worse.
We know abuse is up.
Ojeda Hall from the One Love Foundation says the organization is doing non-traditional outreach, like placing resource cards at meal programs during a time when abusers might have control over technology in the home, and sharing warning signs like increased manipulation and sabotage by withholding access to insurance cards and medical care. They're also sharing ways to help, like developing secret codes and signals with family and friends.
Abuse in general is underreported because of the stigma and shame associated with domestic violence. And now during COVID, it's definitely and substantially more underreported.
And so for those who need help, or if you know someone who does, the Baltimore Child Abuse Center and the One Love Foundation have a lot of resources on their websites. We also have a link to the National Domestic Violence Hotline website on our website, WBALTV.com, and in the WBAL TV app. Reporting live in Baltimore tonight, Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.